Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abidal Farzan Rosyidi. So, in this video, I would like to make it. This is, I don't know, it's tutorial or no, tutorial or demo, because in this video, I'm gonna show you about yeah, topic is still in the microbit, but different theme. So now, I get, maybe this is demo. I'm gonna demo you about tiny bit that can get controlled with remote. Or I can say tiny bit with remote. Yeah, like that. And now, before I already give you the tutorial about the how to make this microbit is go by himself. Yeah, how to say it? Auto, um, what's the name? Auto lock, like that. So now I give you the tutorial how to make this tiny bit is can go with this control or with this remote. Then yeah, maybe I'm gonna give you the tutorial because there's no the extension that can use it that cannot make this microbit. I get it from the my teacher. I get it from my friends that can use it that can make it. And now I just gonna demo it. Okay. So it's gonna kind of allow a lot of thought in here. Yeah, because my friend is gonna demo it too. Okay, so now I just gonna demo it. Okay. Yeah, this is how to work. You can see it in here. The robot, and this is the remote. There is kind of the option as the remotes. You can see it. There is the power, and then this is the up button, then like button, and then yeah, and the other. And then there's the klaxon in here. Klaxon in the. It seems like a car. And there's number in here. This number button is used for your microbit that can show the number that we click it or we press it like this. Yeah. The first that you want to do is yeah, just turn on it. I'm sorry if I don't tutorial it. Yeah, because it's kind of like already get already turn on it, and then what about we just what about what about to click the number button like this? Click the zero one. This zero. In here zero. Wait a minute. Just click three, and then the microbit will show three number like this. And now we gotta yeah we gotta make it move like this. When you press this button, it will go for a while like this. Click this button, up button, good. Then down button, you'll be back again. Back. And what about these two buttons? These two buttons for make it yeah the degrees is can go and can switch into right and left like this. This is the right one, you can go to the right. And this like left button will go. This anyway it will go to the left. Or maybe turn to the left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. And then what about this button do? What about this button? This more the make it more turn like this. When they click this, it will make it effect big effect. It will more turn. And what about this minus and plus button? This minus and plus button is can make the this LED this LED this green, right? See, this is green. And then when you click this minus, it will be changed to green and blue. You can see it in here. This is blue. And then what about you click the plus one? The plus one will change this LEDs. Or maybe this time to red. You can see in here. There's a red here. You can see it. Woo! Then yeah, there's still three numbers and then LEDs and then oh yeah. What about this same like a car, right? And then the car have a klaxon, right? Now we get a turn or maybe make this tiny bit is giving a, or maybe make it sound like collection. This you can see it here. You can hear it. It's same like a lesson sound. This like chord, right? Okay. But now I just gonna give you a tutorial how to I don't give a tutorial because the code there's no there is the extension that expires. Then I cannot use it for this. And then yeah, I just gonna make it the I just gonna make you I just gonna give or maybe I did or I can say explaining about the code. About the all of the code in this micro:bit. In this chip there's a code of the tiny bit with using this remote that I gonna yeah I'm just gonna give it explanation. Now you can go in here in here okay here and then we got the and then we need to take this tiny bit remote. Click this one. There's still the extension because my teacher give it to me or maybe share to me and then I just gonna edit it. But I'm sorry guys, why I cannot give we explain this because I cannot download it. See in here, I cannot download it. This is very long time and then they know this extension is this. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. Nothing guys. Kinda like this cannot download it because this before I use this right, use tiny bit and energy solve. This still not expired yet, but this two menu in here already expired. Yeah. And then now I just gonna give the explanation. Okay. We start from the on start. But on start look you know start connect IR receiver at pin P8. Yeah, is for the ID of this microwave. And then the other on I off IR button left press and then this one. If this button left button is get pressed and then they will make this block code in block code that in the on IR button it will be turned on. Maybe get what's the name? I don't know what's the name yet. Let's get turned on it. Ah, it work it. This is car control speed left. And then what about this button? This this button just have a left button. This left button. It will if this pressed this tiny bit will turn left and then pause for 200 millisecond and then stop. And then this same like a and then this on IR button right get pressed is same like a before that block before is when the right button is get pressed this time that tiny bit will turn right and then the speed of the turn right is 150 then pause for 200 milliseconds and then stop. And what about up press this button up press this button up press it will run or maybe this code will walk not walk so right spin the wheel will spin and then yeah the tiny bit will go for the speed is 150 and then pause for 200 milliseconds and then stop and then this is like a up button but it's down and then this is control back is meaning that the tiny bit will go back again In the up button, there's the micro bit go to the front, and then what about the down button? This down button will make this tiny bit is go back again. Maybe yeah, go back. Then control yes pause. All pause is 200. Okay, and then stop. What about this? Yeah, when this is power button. Okay, power button get pressed, the RGB car will get the RGB car will off. And then this is RGB car program clear, and then RGB car program show. Okay, or you get it right. And then this on the IR button minus press it. When this minus button get pressed, yeah, the car will show the color in this in the LED that I showed before. It will show a blue color. And then when when this right. Oh yeah, what about this? This meaning is turn right. Turn right button. Turn right button in here. It will spin right. It will spin. The car will spin. For the speed is 150, and then the pause is 200. 200 millisecond and stop. And then this is on IR button B press it. This meaning is beep. This button is meaning is beep. Get press it and play tone middle C for 1 bit. This meaning will make the sound for this tiny bit will go out. Same like klaxon in the car. This is on the IR button. Oh, this but when the plus button is get pressed, yeah, will show a red RGB color in this car or in this tiny bit. And then yeah, now on the this like button, this is name is like button. Get pressed is will show a white color. And then yeah, this is on the IR button, meaning this turn right and turn left. This turn left button get pressed, it will spin left for the 150 degrees. And then pause for 200 and stop. And then this one. When the numo is meaning numo, maybe this. Oh, numo is meaning zero. When the numo or maybe zero button get pressed, will show green color. And then this one, oh numo, oh not numo, number one, num zero. And then this one, when the number one get pressed, show number one. And yeah, it's same like the number number two button will show two, and number three button will show three, and yeah, yeah, and yeah. Maybe that's all about my demonstration or maybe explanation about this tiny bit using this remote. Maybe that's all about my explanation, or maybe that I can say presentation. Maybe it's all about my presentation. I'm sorry if I mistake in word. Maybe kind of the vocabulary that I don't know, and then I use the other vocabulary. Okay, I'm going to say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys on the next video. Bye. Oh, hell no.